Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day is pie in the sky. Pie in the sky refers to an idea, plan, or promise that sounds wonderful, but it's not likely to happen or be realistic. Pie in the sky is used when someone talks about something that sounds good but isn't achievable. It's not realistic. It can be used humorously or critically to highlight unrealistic expectations. So here are some example sentences you guys could use. He said he'll become a millionaire without working hard, but that's just pie in the sky. The idea of solving all the world's problems overnight is pie in the sky. They promised huge benefits from the project, but it turned out to be pie in the sky. So use this phrase when you want to describe something that's too good to be true or unlikely to happen. It's a fun and casual way to express skepticism about unrealistic goals or promises. Please like and subscribe, and we appreciate your company on our channel. Bye for now.